How are you doing? This is Ariel from Alphatech Appliances doing another video for this interesting fridge. Come, I want to show you something. So what we have here, it's a Samsung refrigerator, probably the most popular fridge out there. We have those air openings. Basically, this is your air circulation openings. Through here, cold air coming out to the fridge. 9 out of 10 times with Samsung, those openings will be frozen if you don't have any cold coming out. So if you do have any issues with the fridge, first check there. If you have some ice buildup, do a simple thing, just shut it off and let it thaw out. Probably will solve your problem. If you have any further problems or issues with the same fridge, please give us a call and we'll take care of it for you.